In this video, I'll show you how to extract a frame or take a screenshot from a video in Kdenlive. Kdenlive is a free video editor that is open source and is available for Windows, Linux, and Mac. So here's our video inside Kdenlive. It's already on the timeline. We can just switch this particular profile or whatever to the 1920 by 1080. Now, the point of wanting to take a screenshot is potentially you've seen something that you can use to create a thumbnail. Probably you want to just take a frame or a screenshot of that particular section. So if we scrub this particular timeline by holding the left click and scrubbing through the timeline, you can see the different shots. So let's assume you want to take this particular frame. Looks good, the sun in the background right there, and you can add some good text or do whatever you want to do inside a photo editing application. It's up to you. But once your playhead is positioned where you want, all you need to do is just right click and then click on extract frame. Now you'll see there are two forms of extract frame. You'll see the extract frame and extract frame to project. If you click on the second one, and I'll do that right now, what it does is that it shows you where you need to save your image and save it with the name that you want. Kdenlive or whatever name you want. Just click on save. What happens next is that this image is re-imported into the project. When you do the right click on this again, extract frame, what happens is that lady with lady at the beach sundowner. Just click on save. When you use that particular one, there is no importing back into your project. But basically, that is how you can extract a frame or take a screenshot from a video in Kdenlive. I hope this video has been of value to you. Thanks for watching. My name is David. Until next time, stay safe and never stop learning.